American Conveyor Group Incorporated is excited to be partnered with Hytrol Conveyor Company. We'd like to share some of their background and why you should consider looking at their impressive line of conveyor products. Tom Loberg, the owner of a small machine shop in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, built his very first conveyor for a local friend of his. Even today, that conveyor is still revered and has come to be known as Old Number 1. Then in 1947, with only 26 employees, Tom founded the Hytrol Conveyor Company, and it has now been a leading innovator for over 75 years. In 1962, Tom relocated Hytrol Conveyor to Jonesboro, Arkansas, and they are still a privately owned company that has now grown to over 1,600 employees. Currently, Hytrol is a world leader in the design and manufacturing of material handling conveyor systems for a large variety of today's industries. Hytrol designs and manufactures advanced conveyor systems, controls and processing solutions for manufacturing, warehousing and distribution companies. With a typical lead time within 3 to 5 days, Hytrol demonstrates an unwavering dedication to understanding unique material handling needs. Browse our Hytrol website section and give one of our experts a call with any questions you may have, or fill out a request for information form at the bottom of any product page and one of our experts will get back to you ASAP. To see how American Conveyor Group Incorporated can help with all your material handling needs, go to acgconveyors.com.